The Iloco or Ilocanos are the people living originally in the provinces of northern Luzon, or what we call as Ilocandia, a place where rich tradition and culture is still observed even up to this time. In this video, I am going to present to you the different native Ilocano or Iloco dishes or foods that one must try whenever you visit Ilocandia. But before we go any further, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button as well as the notification bell for future videos. Thank you. The first one is pinakbet. Pinakbet or pakbet is a popular vegetable dish in the Philippines which originated in Ilocos region. The word pinakbet is derived from the Ilocano word pinakbet, meaning shrunk or shriveled. It is a good dish on its own, but it is better when paired with meat, usually fried fish or grilled pork. Second is dinengdeng. Dinengdeng or inabraw is a Filipino vegetable dish that originated from the Ilocos region. It is composed of different vegetables that are usually grown in one's backyard. This dish has a similarity with bulanglang and laswa. The obvious difference of dinengdeng is the use of fried or grilled fish. Another notable difference is the addition of bagoong isda. The third one, buridibod. Buridibod is a typical Ilocano dish, and it's truly a unique Ilocano specialty of concocting what's sweet and sweetish and pulpy to go with a variety of leafy green veggies or with some vegetable blossoms and fruits. For that beloved dinengdeng or inabraw, Ilocanos love their vegetable soup somewhat sweet or sweety. The magnificent blending of sweetness and saltiness of the blessed any edible root will do with this delicacy. Kamote or sweet potato is popular, and so with malunggay leaves, pechay, parya or bitter melon, leaves and tops, kalunay or kwantong, spinach and amaranth, and kamote tops itself, and other leafy green vegetables. But it is also known, buridibod is still with other root crops like aba or yam, tuki, buga, kamangag, ube, balinghoy or kamuting kahoy, and others. The next one is dinakdakan. It is an Ilocano dish that is made of grilled and boiled pig parts. It works as a delicious and tasty appetizer too. The pig's head, ears, and brains are some of the ingredients incorporated so as not to waste any part of the animal. Cooking methods such as grilling and boiling are used in making this dish because it makes the preparation of the dish much simpler. Adding chili also gives a bit of a bite, making it the perfect pork dish to eat with loads of rice. Next is pinapaitan. Pinapaitan is one of the most famous dishes of the Ilocanos, which consists of different goat or beef innards such as tripe, liver, kidney, intestine, pancreas, and heart. Originally, the goat innards were used for this dish, but because of the introduction of cooking variation in substitution, beef innards were also used. It was believed that this dish already existed among the Ilocanos before the coming of the Spaniards. History tells that the Spaniards were not much successful in their conquest of Ilocos region, and because of this, they were not able to teach the Ilocanos most of their ways of cooking. The Ilocanos were the very first ethnic group to revolt against the Spanish rule in the Philippines, declaring Pedro Almazan as their apo or supreme leader. Series of Ilocano revolts followed under the leadership of Diego Silang and his famous wife Gabriela. Papaitan therefore is one of the most authentic Filipino recipes long before Spain colonized the Philippines. Next, Sinan Lau. This is a native dish in the Ilocos region. It is made of beef innards and sometimes with cow's face and ears. This dish is similar to pinapaitan because they both have innards and bile extract in the ingredients. Sinan Lau is commonly cooked as hot and spicy soup. That is why this dish is one of the best sellers during rainy season and also during the months of November to February, because those months are the coldest season in the Philippines. Not all the markets sell innards, so if you are having a hard time searching for it in your town, do not worry, because you can replace the innards with just your favorite meat. And also, if you cannot find bile extract, you can use bitter gourd. Sinan Lau is also cooked as sour soup, and the good news here is that you can use almost any sour ingredients like kamyas, tamarind fruit or tamarind leaves, vinegar, among others. If you are a traveler and happen to visit the northern part of the country, Sinan Lau is very abundant that you can have it in any local eateries. If you do not eat blood like myself, I would like to advise you to ask the waiters if the Sinan Lau they serve has blood in it. It is better to ask because sometimes it is hard to distinguish the blood from the liver. Next one, insarabasab. Insarabasab is an Ilokano dish made up of quickly broiled or grilled pork strips, then sliced to serving pieces. The pork is then tossed with finely diced ginger and onion with Ilocano vinegar. The dish is similar to dinakdakan, another popular Ilocano dish, except that dinakdakan is made up of grilled pre-boiled pork face and ears, while insarabasab could be any other choice of pork, but usually the pork belly. And the last one is ata-ata. Ata-ata is an Ilocano food made from very lean meat of either cow or carabao. For common Ilocano meat eaters, this is first-class meat, especially when added with the so-called papait. The meat is thoroughly cleaned and is cut into desired sizes, sometimes smaller cube sizes. The meat will not be cooked, but just let the vinegar or calamansi juice to sterilize and mint the meat. Add some ingredients like chopped white onions, pepper, ginger, and other seasoning that you want to add. Papait is signature to Ilocano ata-ata dish because of the bitter, sweet taste of the meat. Thank you for watching, and again, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. Thank you once again.